Managers are testing themselves in dream. Well, let's get going with today's game. And he's won it back for his team. Mbappe looks comfortable on the ball. Here's Isaac. Gundogan. Volleyed on. Now Diaz. Oh, that pass could have been better. A misplaced pass. They're struggling to string their passes together. Wins the ball. He's confident on the ball. Mbappe! Oh, so close. That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. Valverde with the ball. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Some really fluid passing on display. Here's Isaac. Great understanding between this team. Cancelo with the tackle. It's opened up. Mbappe.
And he's put them in front here after some great play. Will they extend their lead further?
Here's Isaac. And here's Bellingham on the run. Passed around. An expert tackle.
What an opportunity!
Oh, there from Haaland.
The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same.
The players are eager to get the game going again. We're at the half. Things are so close. Can this second half result in one team stamping their authority on the game? Haaland drives forward. Their passing has been so accurate. Saliba with a tackle. Short throw.
What an opportunity!
Conte, another great tackle. Now it's Leao. He attempts a long pass. Well timed then, great defending. He misjudged the pass. And the manager's making a change here. Mbappe. Haaland drives forward.
Oh, there's an opening here.
A team effort, the shot only finds the side of the net. They're controlling the play with ease. The match is all tied, but they're on the front. Oh, my word, what a finish. He's scored a brace. Let's take another look at it. Some great teamwork set up that goal. Osimhen in possession. Oh, that's great determination. Oh, that's a a poor pass. Oh, that pass could have been better. A strong tackle. This is Haaland. The goal is beckoning. Victor Osimhen scores.
The manager will be pleased with getting back into this game and hope they can grab another goal.
Let's see how this sub changes things. So this player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch. Some players are looking exhausted. These new subs will revive the team's energy levels.
Could there be a winning goal here? There's not long left.
This is Lewandowski. The defence were caught out, and now he's... Yes, a late goal. That must be the winner.
Such an important goal here. It may well decide the match.
He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. He loves to run with the ball. A great move. He's clean through. Surely a goal is coming. Now, let's see that again. What an important goal that is. Osimhen with a great run. Vinicius Jr., great run. He can't miss. A careless pass there. It hit the post, so close.
And that's full time.
He gets the Player of the Match award, fully deserved. He was unstoppable.